In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We're going to walk through how to open your inbox, navigate to the Super Agents area, create a new super agent, and select Gmail as the base for your automation. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can repeat the same approach for any other automation you want to build. Start by heading to Inbox in your workspace. Inbox gives you a focused view of what needs attention, and is a reliable jumping-off point for accessing other powerful features. If you work across multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. You can usually find Inbox from the main navigation. If you don't see it right away, use the app's search to jump there. Give the page a second to load so you're viewing the most up-to-date items. From Inbox, move into the AI area and open All Super Agents. This page is the control center for ClickUp's AI-driven automations. It's where you can see existing agents and create new ones that help you handle repetitive tasks, triage information, and take action more consistently. If you don't immediately see the AI section or all super agents, you may need the appropriate plan or permissions. In that case, check with your workspace admin to confirm access. Next, select Create Super Agent. This starts a guided flow that sets the foundation for your automation. Think about your goal here. What problem do you want the agent to solve, and what outcome should it deliver? Keeping a clear objective in mind will make the choices that follow much easier. It also helps to consider a short, descriptive name and a simple scope so your team instantly understands what the agent is meant to do. When the available options appear, click Gmail. Choosing Gmail tells ClickUp that your agent will work with email as its primary source or channel. This is a great starting point for use cases like organizing incoming messages, flagging important communications, or preparing follow-up tasks. Depending on your workspace settings, you may be prompted later to connect an account or confirm access. Make sure you have the right permissions and follow your organization's security guidelines as you proceed. From here, you can repeat the exact same flow for any other automation you want to set up. Return to All Super Agents, create a new one, and then pick the app or capability that best matches your workflow. That's the process. Open Inbox, go to All Super Agents, create a super agent, and choose Gmail. Keep your goal clear, and you'll be able to build reliable automations you can scale across your team.